Growing Freesia in pots is relatively easy as they are well suited for containers and require minimal maintenance if given the right conditions. Planting and growing Freesia bulbs is a rewarding and enjoyable experience, providing a burst of colors and fragrance to your garden. If you have not yet subscribed to Urban Gardening, then click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to subscribe and receive notifications as I upload new videos. Always choose firm plum bulbs free of blemishes or rot from a reputable seller. Choose a pot 12 to 15 inch wide and deep with adequate draining holes at the bottom. To grow Freesias in pots, use a well-draining fertile soil mix or make your own mix by adding 50% garden soil, 30% cattle manure and 20% river sand. Position each comb with the pointy end up and flat bottom part down. Dig holes 1 inch deep and place the bulb in the hole with the pointed end up. Cover the bulb with soil and pat it gently. Plant the bulbs 2 to 3 inches apart. The bulbs are small and don't require deep planting. Place them only 1 to 2 inch deep with the pointed end facing up. Freesias look best when grouped in bunches of 5 to 7. Space bulbs about 2 to 3 inches apart, then water the planting area well. Immediately after planting, water the bulbs thoroughly to settle the soil and initiate root growth. If planting in pots, choose deeper pots if possible, since Freesias have a long taproot. Make sure that the tips of the bulbs remain just above the soil surface. The sprouts will emerge in 2 weeks. Freesias grow best in full sun, however, they can tolerate a planting location with some morning shade. Since the Freesias are kept in full sun, their soil will dry out quickly. Keep it damp but not soggy throughout the growing season. Keep the soil moist but not soggy as new sprouts are growing. While bulbs contain enough nutrients to sustain their initial growth phases, fertilizing can encourage vigorous growth and prolific flowering, making them perfect for low-maintenance plant care. Using a spade or shovel, you can dig and turn over the top layer of the soil. This is an efficient way for loosening compacted soil and making it easier for water and air to penetrate. Repeat this after every 20 to 25 days. At this point, apply a balanced flower fertilizer and keep the plants in full sun. Add half tablespoon NPK in 1 liter water and mix well before applying. Apply every 12 to 15 days. Each Freesia stem can grow about a foot high, producing 6 to 12 trumpet-shaped upward-facing blossoms. They grow along one side of the stem in a single line. Their flowers grow from a central stalk that has sword-shaped leaves. Originating from South Africa, Freesias are perennial plants that grow from bulb-like combs which can be grown in pots or planted in borders outside. Water around the base of Freesias rather than spraying it over the leaves and blooms so that the plants don't get cooked in strong sun. After about 120 days, the freesias will bloom. Healthy plants should produce 5 to 7 flowers per stem, all pointing in one direction. These flowers resemble delicate trumpets with a sweet smelling fruit scent growing in various colors. A distinct benefit or attribute is their wonderful fruity smelling perfume, similar to strawberries, often used in fragrances.